LGBTQ 1 Minute News. Let's queer up lesbian and queer women. Women's Institute bars trans women. Vows new sisterhood groups after UK court ruling. The National Federation of Women's Institutes will bar trans women from membership starting April 2026, following a UK Supreme Court ruling defining sex as biological gender under the 2010 Equality Act. The decision comes after updated guidance from the Equality and Human Rights Commission recommendation. They recommended excluding trans people from certain single-sex spaces. At least 12 Women's Institute branches, including Manchester, have closed or faced closure. The National Federation of Women's Institutes says it will create new sisterhood groups open to all. I want to say, not only was it hard to read that, it was hard to digest all of that, because what are we talking about here? If you identify as a woman, I get the difference between gender and sex, all of that. If your gender, which is the way that you choose to present yourself in the world, gender is a learned behavioral pattern that people identify with. If you present yourself female, you're a sister. You should be part of all the sisterhood groups that you possibly can. I do understand that there are TERFs, I think. It's yes. Trans exclusionary radical feminists, such as J.K. Rowling.
Well, that made me wonder, is she running this organization?
Right.
Is she in charge of this stuff?
She must be.
My understanding that the WI wasn't doing very well in the UK anyway. So if I'm wrong, folks in the UK, let me know. But I thought they were kind of slowly dying out in villages across the country.
It's terrible. I don't, again, like what I said before, people need to be included. We should be a community. Well, this is just a women's organization. Right. But as a gay community, as an LGBTQ++++ community, we should be opening our umbrella to everybody, and good on them for creating new groups that will include biological women, cisgendered women, as well as transgendered women as well. So I just want to say kudos to them, and we're all just trying to learn, so don't come for me with what I said about biological. Cisgendered women and transgendered women as well, so.
And you're closing it up for us.
Yeah, so that is an LGBTQ 1 Minute news story. There is no other queer nonprofit media platform like this in the entire world. Support our LGBTQ stories by sharing them and subscribing to Queer News Tonight.